With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a small hop of mass m is given an initial velocity of magnitude v0 on the horizontal circular ring of radius r. Okay, if the coefficient of kinetic friction is mu k, the tangential acceleration of the hoop immediately after is released. As you can see in the diagram, this is the hoop which is moving in this ring, and the radius of this ring is r, and this mass of this hoop is given as m and velocity is v0, and we have to find out the tangential acceleration of this hoop. So first I am going to draw the free body diagram of this hoop. So the free body diagram is like this. Suppose this is my hoop of mass m. Okay, this is the hoop of mass m. Now the normal is acting perpendicular to the ring. That means normal is acting like this on this. So that means, suppose this is the normal which is acting on this in this direction. Now weight mg is acting downwards, and both forces are balanced by the centrifugal force, which is given by mv0 square upon r, because velocity of this hoop is given as v0 and mass is given as m. So centrifugal force is given by mv square upon r. So net force acting on this hoop is normal reaction, that is n, weight mg which is acting downwards, and the centrifugal force mv0 square upon r. Now as you can see in the figure, that normal is basically the resultant of these two forces. So I can write normal as, normal which is acting on this hoop can be written as n is equals to mg plus mv square upon r. Okay, now the resultant of n is given as resultant of two vectors can be written. This is the resultant of these two forces, so the resultant can be written as this square, where this square plus this square. So it is square of mg plus square of mv square upon r. Okay, now simplifying this, we will have, after simplifying this, suppose m square is common. Okay, so I can write n equals to m square is common, and now it is g square plus v square upon r. Okay, now we know that friction force is also acting between this ring and this hoop, and friction force is given by the formula friction force is equals to mu n. So the friction force is given as mu n, and mu is given as mu k in the formula. So in the question, so putting the value of n in this, we will have friction force that is equals to mu k, and value of n that is m square g square plus v square upon r. Now solving this, we will have m is coming outside of the root, so it is f equals to m mu k, and in root it is g square plus v square upon r. Now we know that acceleration is given by the formula force upon mass. Now if I take this m in this side, this is f upon m, so it will be acceleration. So acceleration, and this is the tangential acceleration because this is the frictional force. So at is given by mu k, in bracket it is z square plus v square upon r. This is the value of tangential acceleration, which is equals to mu k in root g square plus v square upon r. So let's check the options. In option, this second option, sorry, no, the last option, which is mu k under root g square plus v naught upon r square, because velocity is given as v naught. So there is v naught everywhere in the solution. Okay, because velocity is given as v naught, so it is v naught everywhere. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.